What's up guys, this is Ryan here. This is the Bandit update, also the track is off-road. Now as you can see, it looks cool. I'm just let this idle for a second. And you can see it looks pretty powerful. It's a good machine. But if you hit the gas like here, it actually spins up the engine a little bit. And you can see it starts to move, which is good. If you do it full flash, it actually does have to make sense though a little bit. Now, I'm not gonna argue guys if you have a opinion. See, I mean, this pool actually looks kind of nice. I mean, you can see the ice and stuff, and you can see it does pretty fast on anything else you can see, but it doesn't look that bad. I mean, you get the fact that I got close to the good thing here. So it's definitely actually looks a cool machine, in my opinion. Because most of the time, what I do, when I let this idle for a second, and I was gonna slip back down, and I was gonna slip that. Oh, it's gonna keep moving. Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, but this machine actually looks nice. I'm hoping we get definitely do a first oil change on this tractor's ox400 off-road. I'm hoping we could do it this week or maybe next week. I don't know yet, but I hope we could get to say first oil change. See, it goes really fast. Trying to go outside, trying to grab the guy's stupid bug. See, look at that, actually, goes without that, hit the gas. And you can see, when you're done with it, just put the parking brake on. It's simple as that.